Hi guys, so today I want to learn how to create wave text. Also we can do it with animation, as you see. After that we turn this to the launch screen and we create welcome view. So when you open the app first time you have welcome view, you can drag it down to the bottom and with some blur and animation. Let's start with creating the wave text. I get font, system size 48, bold, and the color. I want to use linear, array of colors. I have here already my colors. I'll leave it the same from leading to trailing. Now I need a new file, type metal file, wave text. Float 2 and the name wave. Float 2 position. Return position minus float 2. Zero, then position dot x multiply by 0.023 multiply by 5. This is for the wave text. I'll explain in a second. So let's just add it here. Use display effect dot wave init 0.50. So let's see what the numbers do. So this one is how much waving you want. So now I have this one start from here, then as you see is 1, 2. Let's do it like 5. One, two, three, four, like is more. Let's do it just one. You can see easily. You see, you have so much. So I want only 3. We start from here, then like this. Well, 0, 23. And this one, how high the wave you want. Like I want to push it to the top or to the bottom. Let's do it 50. So now you see, if we do negative 50, we'll push it to the top. So now we have the waving text, but I want to create animation for this. I'll do like, name it animation wave. And here, float time. Here, plus time. let's go to the home page. I'll just copy this, paste it here, comment. To create the animation, I need timeline view. So I will do this inside the VStack. Put this inside timeline view, animation, text, and just cut this, paste it here, and I need this one, it'll be over here. I need to pass the animation wave function, will be flat, text. I have here the text inside the VStack, dot date, dot timeline, let start date equal date dot now. When you pass the date dot now here, start date. As you see now, we have the animation. I want the spacing will be -0. Sorry, -10. Now it's much better. I have already to create the welcome view, so I will just close this and add the gesture, DragGesture, on change, value, if value dot transition dot height greater than 0, I want the drag amount to be the value dot transition. That means when we're dragging, it will update the value of drag transition, and we can use this in offset y. If show is true, will be 10, plus drag amount as will be 450, all to the bottom. As you see now, we can drag it to the bottom, but I want, if I drag like 100, we'll push it to the bottom. I'll use on end, value, if drag amount dot height greater than 100, I want with animation show be false. That means we'll push it 400 to the bottom. There's something wrong here. Dot on end, should be inside the DragGesture. Dot on end, value, So if is greater than 100, we'll push it to the bottom. Else, return to the 0. With animation, drag amount equal 0. So now if we drag in the view to the bottom 100, will be show false. Else, if less than 100, will return to the 0. So now let's go to the home view. I'm gonna do this biting. On the home view, I will just add the welcome view with a V stack on top this view, and I will do the background just white. Give it a padding, horizontal, and the home view on the Z stack. I want to add a color, black, opacity 0.2. We'll just add background color, ignore the save area, and we add to the VStack a blur. Will be blur now is 10. Make it to the CG float. So now we can drag, as you see, but I want when I drag the blur will be less and less when we're dragging. So return to the welcome view. We say let blur decrease equal value dot transition dot height and divide by 10. And we assign this value to the blur number. Blur number equal int 0, 10 minus blur degrees. Here max. And we do the same for the background color. Let background color equal value dot transition dot height divide by 2000, because the background color is 0.2. It's very low value. How do we assign this value to the background? Background color equal max 0, 0.2 minus background color. So let's just test this. If we drag into the bottom, you see the blur and the color get less and less when we're dragging. So now I want if then greater than 100 will be blur 0 and background color also 0. And here we'll return to the 10.2 if show is true. Turn to the home page. If we drag into the like 50, let's return, and 100. So I want to add the action to the button. Under the button we have the same. I can just show you. Other button will be show false blur 0 0. On the main view, here is first will show us the quantity view, the wave text. After 2 seconds will show us the home view. We just run the app.